This video is the main resources for you to learn how to use the bigme.org to generate citations for websites, books, book chapters, and other resources. There are 5 main steps in these videos. First, open the APA style page in bigme.org. Second, generate a citation for a website. Third, generate a citation for a book. Fourth, generate a citation for a book chapter using manual entry mode. Fifth, copy and paste the generated citation to the reference section. As you can notice that this instruction is made on a Windows 10 system. If you are using other computer system, please make sure that your operation corresponds to your system requirements. Okay, let's start. First, open a web browser, then in the address bar, put our website URL www.bigme.org and then click on the arrow here. We can go to bigme.org. Then click on the APA here and we can go to the APA citation page in bigme.org. After we finish the first step, open the APA style page in bigme.org. Let's go to step 2, generate a citation for website. With our APA style page open, move your cursor to the website and then click. We can go to the website that generates citation for websites. Then input the URL that we provided, or you can just input your own URL to the input box and then click on search website. After that, we can see there is a search result for our website and then click on select. Here's what we found. We can see here are some information for the website like URL, article title, website title, but we still need publisher or sponsor or publication date. Then we click on final step. Then we have to check the information in each input box to make sure that the information we want to cite is correct and complete. We can see there are some information that's needed. It's the article title, contributors, website title, publisher, URL, electronic or published date, date access, and you can add annotations. Then we open the URL that we want to cite. You can open your own URL if you have that one. Then we can check the information one by one. First, we have the article title is Teen Social Media and Technology. Overview 2015. That's correspondent. Then we have the contributor Amanda Learnhardt. Then yes, correct. And the website title Pew Research Center Internet Science Tech. Pew Research Center Internet Science Tech, correct. And then can we find publisher or sponsor? We can scroll down the page to see if there is a publisher or sponsor. It seems like there is no such information provided, so we'll leave it blank. Then the website URL, it's correct. And then electronic publish date, it says 9th, but it doesn't have month 2015. We go back to our page. In our front, we can see April 9th, 2015. Then we can just select the month, April. Then check the date access. It's November 28th, 2016. When every information is correct and complete, you can click on Create Citation. We can see that the first citation has been successfully generated. Also, in the former step, if everything is correct and complete, you don't have to add anything. and then you can just click on create citation, and then we can go to the same page like this one. After finish the second step, generate a citation for website, and then we can go to the third step, generate a citation for book. Click on add another citation to your bibliography, and then we can go back to our former page. Then click on book in this page. Then we can go to the page. Then we went to the page that generates citation for books. Input the book title in the input box. Remember to including the year, because the year is very important for the information of the website to search the correct corresponding book. And then let's try the first answer. We can see here are some information that the website find on the internet. Check the book title, the Cambridge Handbook of the Learning Science, book publisher Cambridge University Press, and publication year 2014. And then go back to here. We can see the title is correct and the editor is correct, and we can go to here because we are the second edition, so it's second edition 2014 is correct, and then we click on final step. Except for those information, other we want to check is the advanced information. We have the advanced information, volume, edition, and series, and when we check the book, we have the second edition, so input 2 here. And then we check the publication information. The press is correct in New York. Go back here, it's New York and New York State. We have to correct here because this is only for city. And then we put New York in this place. And after we finish all the information, click on create citation. And we can see that the second citation has been generated successfully. The book that we just generated can be found on the internet. What if we cannot find a book on the internet? This time we try this book, and we try to find if it can be found on the internet, and it turns out it cannot. This time we can try another one. It's called manual entry mode. And by doing this, we can generate the citation for books that cannot be found on the internet. Click on manual entry mode, and then we can enter the page. We can see almost all the information is empty. We can just put the information that necessary, and we can find on the book. First, we have the source title. It's social processes in children's learning. And we go back to check who is the author, and we can see it's Paul Light and Karen Littleton. We put their name in here, Paul Light, and we add another contributor. It's Karen Littleton, and we go back to check advanced information. Is there any volume, series, or edition? We can see it's not. And the publisher we can see is the Cambridge University Press, and the city is Cambridge. State, there is no state, and the published date is 1999. After input all of the information, we can just click on create citation, and here we go. We got a new citation for this book, which cannot be found on the internet. After we generate the citation for books, we can start another necessary part is to how to generate citation for book chapters, because sometimes we need only to cite one book chapter instead of the whole book. And then we click we go back to our former page and then we click Cite a book chapter in here. Then we can see we can input information in the following empty input boxes. First, the chapter or section title that we need to cite. In here we choose to cite the chapter 3 scaffolding. So we input the title scaffolding, and then contributor is the section author. The first one is Brand J. Razor, and here we go. We have the second one is Iris Tabak. It's also the author, section author. In addition to these two authors, we have another is the book editor. We also need to input this information, so we add another contributor. Select on source editor, and then we put his name, R. Case Sawyer, book of the learning science. The edition is the second edition, and then publication information is Cambridge University Press, New York State, 2014. And for pages information, we can see that it is from page 44 until page 62. After finish all the information, we can just click on create citation, and we finish citing a book chapter here. Now we finished the fourth step, generate a citation for book chapter using manual entry mode, and we finish generate citation for all resources that I want to teach, and we enter our final step, copy and paste the generated citation to the reference section. We can see that all the citation that generated here has been arranged by the initials from A to Z, so you don't have to worry about the sequence. The website has already do the work. Then you just need to copy and paste all the citation to your paperwork. First, you can just click on copy and paste. Then you minimize the website, and then you click on your paperwork. Go to the reference part. I didn't put my paper here since I only provide an example. And then you just paste them in here. And you can do this one by one. Well, that's all content for this video. Hope you can learn something from it. Thank you.